So you pick out the writing genre, right, and you want to explain or clarify what each of the genre does, what they do, or at least the one you pick, right? What are the advantages and disadvantages of each genre? Why did you choose? Which one did you choose, and why? And how does the genre address both the contextualization and textualization issues that you've brought up? So you're basically saying, hey, I'm picking this writing genre not just because I think it's easy, not just because I like it, but because I think it will get the job done. It is the best tool to get the job done. So you always want to, make that move, right? In terms of not only the text you choose, but also the writing genre that you choose. Theorize, right? So talked about this throughout the semester, right? You always want to have an argument. You just don't want to summarize the text. You just don't want to say, hey, I read the text, right? You have to make an argument about the text and use the text to make an argument, which is better said, right? Blueprint, which I already talked about, body paragraphs, resolution. This is all just repeating what I said earlier, right? So these are all sort of the moves that you want to make, right? And so here I'm just going through it again, plugged in Crito or Genesis, so it's getting you to think about Crito and Genesis in these ways. I've listed some templates here, okay? So these are ways of writing. These are riffs that I just came up with to give you an idea of how you can, get into this topic, this essay project, and some of the moves that you can make. Okay. Um, so again, I tried to highlight logical, rhetorical moves, right? So it doesn't matter what the text is. It doesn't matter what the problem is you're looking at, right? That when you produce critical thinking, there are moves that you want to make, that you want to, um, sort of manipulate pieces on the chessboard. You want to set up the chessboard so that you can make moves, right? And so, in a lot of ways, critical thinking is beyond the text, it's beyond the problem, it's beyond the assignment, right? And that's really what I'm trying to get you to sort of see in terms of thinking and writing. Okay, and so you can look at that at your own leisure. I will post both reading up videos on both the Crito and Genesis, and I'll do that by Friday. Okay, hope this helped, and see you on the other side.